to Meals with Marcia. Today I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe with you, and it is Texas toast manwich. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. I follow several people on TikTok, on Facebook, on the internet, and I follow a guy, and his channel is called Your Barefoot Neighbor. I love to watch his show because he makes like a lot of quick and easy recipes for people who are wanting to learn how to cook, and he just makes it easy and he makes it feel like anybody can do it, and I love that about him. So thank you, Your Barefoot Neighbor, for doing that to help others. I'm a very seasoned cook, but I also like quick and easy stuff, and he is a really good person to go to for those quick weeknight meals, crock pot meals. He's great. All right, so we have been eating manwich forever, okay? Love manwich. Now, my husband, normally when I make manwich, I just put it on a bun and, you know, we put a little piece of cheese on it and have some, you know, tater tots or whatever to go with it. But this right here sounds great, and I wanted to try it a new way. Now, first of all, you need a box of the garlic Texas toast, and I just have the Walmart brand. You can whatever brand you want, but you cook that according to the box directions. Now, this box says to cook it at 425 in like 5 to 7 minutes. So that's what I did, 425, 5 to 7 minutes. And it just toasted. It got the bottom brown, but it just barely toasted the top, which is fine. Then on the manwich, you just do the directions on the can. You do a pound of ground beef, you scramble that up, drain the grease off, and then you add this can of manwich in it, and you just heat it up, is all you do, and that's your manwich mix. Now, some people like to do, excuse me, homemade sloppy joes. You can do that, or the powder pack where you add the tomatoes and all that. However you want to do it. This is just a quick and easy way because it's just dump and go. And then you need some sliced provolone cheese. I did not buy the smoked. I did just the regular because I think it would be best for this. So I'm doing one for demonstration because I'm going to have this tonight for supper for my husband. He's going to love this. So you take your toast out, and then you take the back of the spoon and you just press down in there to make your little well, okay? I'm going to see if I can show you what it looks like. Just press it down just like that. All right? Then we're going to take a spoonful of our manwich, and we're going to fill that hole up. Now, if you want to do a hearty manwich or a little bit of manwich, whatever, if you want to make it go further, just do a little less, you know, so you can have more bread if you're feeding a lot of people. All right? Then you're going to take some provolone cheese. This is the thin slice. I was trying to determine whether I wanted to do 2 slices, but I think that'll be enough. All right, now I have my oven still on. I'm just going to put it under the broiler for a couple minutes, guys, and just melt that cheese. And that's all it calls for. And it's already hot, so I don't think it's going to take very much. But I'm going to put this under the broiler, and then I'm going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like, and we're going to taste it together, okay? I'll be back in just a few minutes. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. All right, I put my little Texas toast manwich in the oven on broil for 2 minutes. So it just melt the cheese really good. And this is what she looks like. It's looking delicious, and it smells delicious. I love provolone cheese, and I never even thought about putting provolone cheese on a manwich. We just always do like American cheese. But I'm going to cut into that and see what it looks like. I mean, you can just pick it up and eat it with your hand, but I kind of want to cut it into it and see what we're working with here. Well, you can't see really because the cheese is kind of mushed down, but there you go. Texas toast manwich. Let's taste it and see. Probably hotter than Satan's toenails, but I'm going to taste it anyway. Yum, yum. Oh yeah, this is a great weeknight meal, guys. When you're busy and you got to do something, you can even prep a lot ahead. Like you can go ahead and do your ground beef, put your manwich mix in it. All you have to do is stick it in the skillet and heat it up while you're cooking your bread because it's already buttered and everything from the freezer. So this is amazing. You need to try this. This is a great weeknight meal. This will be kid friendly, kid approved. You can make some fries, tater tots. You can even roast some vegetables or have some green beans, whatever side you want. This is delicious. I'm gonna have one more bite. Oh yeah. That's yum. Need to make it easy peasy weeknight meal. That is Texas toast manwich. Guys, If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marsha, and don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.